Get ready. We're about to embark on a journey into the deepest mysteries of the universe. As we uncover 5 incredible phenomena that science can't fully explain, we'll push the boundaries between reality and imagination. From events that seem straight out of science fiction to nature's unsolved puzzles, it's all here. If you're as fascinated by these mysteries as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because this journey is just beginning. Imagine stumbling upon a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. A colossal mound rising from the remote forests of southeastern Siberia, shrouded in secrecy and fear. This is the Patomsky Crater, a rocky enigma defying easy explanation. Nestled deep in the Patom Highlands, this massive formation spans 160 meters wide and towers 40 meters high, crowned by a central cone reaching another 12 meters. The crater's mysterious origins read like a detective novel. Composed of 2.5 million cubic meters of shattered limestone, it weighs over 1 million tons and is estimated to be around 300 years old. Scratch the idea of Stalin's nuclear experiments off the list. This predates them. A meteorite strike? Tempting, but scientists ruled that out in 2010. Then came a theory in 2015. Underground magma might have caused a vapor explosion. But here's the twist, there's no volcanic activity in the area. Local legends take a darker turn, whispering that the crater is cursed, a harbinger of doom. This belief intensified when geologist Yuri Batyukov succumbed to a sudden heart attack during a 2005 expedition. Is it science, superstition, or something else entirely? The Patomskiy Crater keeps its secrets well. Picture this, a calm night along Thailand's Mekong River. Suddenly, glowing orbs of light rise from the water, ascending silently into the sky. Welcome to the phenomenon of the Naga Fireballs, an annual spectacle that draws thousands to Nong Khai province. Local lore attributes these fiery marvels to the Phaya Naga, a mythical serpent said to dwell beneath the riverbed. Legend has it that the Naga exhales these orbs as an offering during the Buddhist Lent's conclusion. Science, of course, steps in with a more grounded explanation. Experts speculate that decaying organic material beneath the river releases methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. When these gases reach the surface and interact with oxygen, they ignite, producing the mesmerizing fireballs. Whether it's the work of mythical serpents or chemistry, one thing is certain: the Naga Fireballs blur the line between the mystical and the explainable. Now let's venture to the deserts of Namibia and Australia, where nature has etched a riddle into the earth. These enigmatic formations, known as fairy circles, are perfectly round barren patches of land, ranging from 2 to 12 meters in diameter. They punctuate the arid landscapes with an almost mystical symmetry, captivating all who see them. Theories about their origins are as varied as they are compelling. One school of thought posits that self-organizing vegetation creates these patterns in a desperate bid for survival. Picture plants as strategists, arranging themselves to maximize access to water in a harsh environment. In this scenario, each circle is a testament to the delicate balance of competition and cooperation in nature. Another theory shifts the focus underground, crediting termites as the unseen architects. These industrious insects may clear vegetation to conserve moisture beneath the soil, their activity giving rise to the distinctive fairy circles above. Their subterranean engineering might explain the circle's persistence, even in the face of extreme desert conditions. But science doesn't have all the answers. Some believe these circles are a natural form of art. a reminder that the Earth itself can create wonders beyond our full comprehension. Are they a testament to nature's ingenuity, a signature of insect activity, or something even more extraordinary? Whatever their origin, fairy circles remain a source of endless fascination, urging us to keep questioning the mysteries of the natural world. Now let's venture to the deserts of Namibia and Australia, where nature has drawn its own riddles on the landscape. Fairy circles perfectly round barren patches of land, ranging from 2 to 12 meters in diameter, dot these arid terrains. Their origins are as mysterious as their shapes. Two leading theories battle for supremacy. Some researchers propose that self-organizing vegetation creates these patterns to optimize water use. Imagine plants in a strategic game of survival, spacing themselves just right to monopolize scarce resources. Others suggest a more subterranean culprit, termites. These tiny architects might clear vegetation to store moisture underground, creating what we see as fairy circles. Are they nature's crop circles or the hidden handiwork of insects? The debate continues, leaving room for wonder. Step into the enchanting world of the dancing forest, a surreal woodland nestled within the Curonian Spit, a narrow strip of land separating the Baltic Sea from the Curonian Lagoon. This grove of twisted and spiraling pine trees seems plucked straight out of a fairy tale, their contorted shapes defying the natural order. What makes these trees dance? Theories are as varied as the forest itself. Some attribute the unusual forms to the region's strong winds and sandy soil, shaping the trees as they grew. Others suggest a biological cause, such as genetic anomalies or parasites that interfere with normal growth patterns. Yet, not all explanations are grounded in science. Local folklore whispers of a mystical energy coursing through the area, bringing the trees to life in a never-ending waltz. Some visitors report an uncanny feeling, as though the forest itself is alive and observing those who enter. Adding to the intrigue, the forest is also known as the Drunken Forest, due to its disorienting atmosphere and the peculiar sensation visitors often feel when walking among the trees. Could this phenomenon be an interplay of natural and supernatural forces? Or is it merely the result of environmental quirks and optical illusions? Regardless of the explanation, the dancing forest challenges our understanding of nature's capabilities and invites all who wander through its twisted embrace to question what lies beyond the surface. In 2018, a NASA aircraft flew over the Antarctic region and captured an image that left even the most seasoned scientists questioning reality. A massive iceberg with edges so perfectly straight, it appeared to have been cut by human hands. This pristine and geometrically perfect iceberg, measuring 2 kilometers in length and standing 40 meters tall, was an anomaly of nature so precise, it sparked an outpouring of wild theories and questions. Could it be that nature, in all its random beauty, could create something so symmetrical? The iceberg was discovered in the Larsen Ice Shelf, a region known for its immense and powerful ice structures, but this one stood out among them all. Experts were quick to provide natural explanations, suggesting that the flatness of the ice shelf and the frigid conditions allowed for such an exact formation. Yet, the eeriness of its perfect right angles and clean lines seemed to defy these straightforward explanations. With such clarity, it almost seemed as though it could have been constructed by a higher intelligence, or even the result of a simulated reality. This led to a flood of speculation online. Was it a sign of extraterrestrial life or the result of some advanced technology? Some conspiracy theorists proposed that it was an alien artifact, a signal from beyond Earth that had somehow made its way into the frozen expanse of the Antarctic. Could it be a deliberate marker, placed by some unknown force, waiting to be discovered? Or was it the product of our own artificial world, a glitch in the matrix, A natural formation so perfectly symmetrical, it couldn't possibly be real? Despite the experts' insistence on natural causes, the iceberg's symmetry seemed to stir something deeper in the human psyche. It became a viral sensation, drawing attention from all corners of the world. It was no longer just a simple iceberg, it became a symbol of the unknown, of the limits of our understanding. Some even went so far as to question the nature of reality itself, pondering if such perfect formations could be possible in a universe governed by chaos and entropy. The iceberg, while scientifically explained as the result of a natural process, continues to spark debate. Could there be more to this perfect iceberg than meets the eye? Is it merely an optical illusion or a deeper, unsolved mystery of the world around us? As we continue to explore the limits of our knowledge, one thing remains certain. The perfect iceberg challenges everything we think we know about the natural world and our place within it.